Recording.
All right. My name is Ben Cartwright. I am the Director of Community Outreach at the San Diego LGBT Community Center. I'm also a certified HIV test counselor, so I, along with some of my colleagues, provide rapid HIV testing a couple times a week here at the center, San Diego LGBT Center. For our rapid testing, we use the OraQuick Advance HIV 1-2 rapid antibody test. This test can be done orally or with a finger prick, and I will demonstrate both of those. When we are going to start a test, we of course have all our materials ready. Wear gloves. We get a kit. Each test has its own kit. The test kit is opened up. Of course, we make sure it hasn't expired yet. This one expires March 31, 2020. We take out the tube with the fluid in it and open that up and stick it in one of these holders. The client is handed this this stick here. It has a little window for the reading on it, and all they do is rub it across their top gum like this and their bottom gum like that, and then the test is stuck in the tube here. For 20 minutes this processes. When we are finished with the test, here at the C, there will be a line there. That's the control line. That means it worked. After 20 minutes, if no other line appears, it is a negative test. At the T, which is the test line, if a line does appear there along with the C, that means it's a preliminary positive. And then we would send them person off for confirmatory testing with a phlebotomist. They'd have blood drawn, and that's how it works. During the time this is processing, we do talk to the client about risk factors, we gather information from them, fill out paperwork, get to know who they are, and then talk about some prevention strategies. That is an oral test.
Okay. And now, in the event that the test does come up with a, let's say it's a very light line for the T, would that still count as a potential positive and be sent off still?
It would, yeah. What they always say in training is a line is a line is a line. So if the line is even a little faint, which it often is, we would still consider a preliminary positive, which is why the confirmatory testing is so important.
Okay.